Good day to everyone. This is your code book. In this video we are going to discuss about few string methods. The methods are replace, upper, lower, swapcase, title, count, find and index. Let's discuss these methods one by one. The first one is replace. So this method is used to replace the substring within an existing string with a new substring. So if you want to change any particular substring in a string, we can go with this replace method. The syntax for replace method is source string dot replace, and it takes three arguments: old substring, comma new substring and count. The count is the optional parameter. So every method we are going to access through the dot operator. So let's see the example. So let me create one string object. So the object good day. So now I am going to change this good replaced by welcome. So the original string object message dot and method is the replace. Instead of good, okay, so good comma, okay, so check the syntax: old substring comma new substring, and now the new substring is welcome. So when we run this statement, so the output is welcome day, so instead of good day. And remember, the original string contains the same value, good day. So this is the first method, replace method. And what is the use of that count? So another example. So in that string object, I'm going to replace, that is O. Okay, so message dot replace, and the old, okay, I am going to take only a single character O, comma, and A. The count I am going to give 0, 1, 2. So it start the there is the number of occurrences is 2. So that's why we got different output. So the count is the, remember, the count is the optional one. And second method is the upper. So this method returns an entire string into uppercase letter. So syntax is string object dot method name, that is upper. It takes no arguments. So let's take the same message dot upper. When we run this statement, all the characters converted into uppercase. So this is the second method, returns an entire string into uppercase letters. And next method is the lower case. So I will create another string object which contains uppercase letters. So now we will convert this string object into lowercase. So string object dot lower. So when we run this statement, so all the characters converted into lowercase. So this is the lower method. And next one, swap case. So this method returns an entire uppercase letter into lowercase letters and vice versa. So look at the syntax, string dot swap case. So string dot swap case. So let's see the example. So message, so we have good day. So let's try to change this one, message dot swap case. So look at the output here. This message is the good day. So now this G converted into lowercase and rest of the characters are converted into uppercase. Similarly, the second word day. So the swap case method is used to convert the lowercase into uppercase and uppercase into lowercase. And third one is next one is title. So this method returns the first character of the string is capitalized and the rest are in lowercase. So let's see the example. So now I will create another one, st, okay, subject is equal to Python. So now sub dot title. So when we run this statement, look at this output. So the first character of the string is capitalized and rest of the characters are lower. Okay, so let's change and then try. So now instead of the remaining characters I will give capital. So now let's run this code. We got the same output. Okay, so the title method returns the first character of the string is capitalized and the rest are in lowercase. So the syntax string dot title. And then next method is count. So this method is used to sum up the occurrence of a given character or series of characters in a string. So string dot count, and it takes argument chr, that is character or series of character. So let's see the example. So now I'm going to take okay, welcome to okay, so this is my string, welcome to Python programming. So s dot count, I'm going to give O. Okay, so when we run this code, we got 4. So 1 2 3 4 number of occurrences of the character O. So another example, if s dot count, there is series of characters, so I am giving 2. Okay, so when we run this code, we got 1. And another example, s dot count is set. So when we run this code, there is 0 because set is not present in the given string. Okay, so this is the count method. This method is used to sum up the occurrence of a given character or series of characters in a string. And the next method, find. the find method is used to search for a given character or sequence of character in a string. So again we'll take the same thing. So the s dot, look at the syntax, string dot, so find, let's give the same character O. When we run this code, 4. Okay, so the given character find 4 times in the string object. So another method, s dot find, another example, f dot find the O, comma, I am giving 5, the count value 5. When we run this code, it is 9. So this find method, the first occurrence is the 4th position. Okay, when we count 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and when we give the count value is 5, it starts find the particular character from the 5th index onwards. That's why we got the number 9. If one more example, if I am giving s dot find the same character O, comma, 10. Okay, so when we run this code, we got 15 because this one is 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, so this is the use of the second argument in this find method. And another one more example, find the same, I'm giving x. Okay, so when we run this code, we got -1. If the particular character is not present in a string, the find method returns a value -1. So this is about the find method. And the next one is about index method. So the index method checks the occurrence of a given substring in a string and returns the index of the first occurrence. And then the second point is about it raises a value error if the substring is not found. Okay, so let's take the same. Yes. Okay, so welcome to Python programming. So s dot index, so the s dot index is 0 and s dot index of the character x. So look at this here, that is value error. The substring is not found in a original string, so there is a value error. So this is the string method. The index method checks the occurrence of a given substring in a string and returns the index of the first occurrence. So this is about string methods. So far we discussed about string methods, replace, upper, lower, swap case, title, count, find and index. And one more thing is the string traverse. Okay, so another example here, using for loop we can for I the character, we can access the characters for ch, in and yes, and print of ch. So when we run this code, we got the output, welcome to Python programming. So using for loop we can access the character one by one. That is this kind of thing is known as the string traverse. Okay, so thank you.